Hi guys, don't know if you can hear me, wind's pretty bad, so we'll have to hold pretty close to me shortly from the wind. But yeah, fishing back in Talacre. It's a PB play. Weather's not great, but you know, get out, try and catch some fish. Rods are just in front of me. Can't see him because of the way I'm angling for the wind. But yeah, I'm using prawns again. Hopefully I won't lose a fish like I did last time. Bit similar spot to where I was last time, literally 100 metres down to the left. But yeah, it's starting to rain now, so I've got to make this quick. But yeah, using prawn, like I say, both 2 up flapper pulley panels. And yeah, I'll see what I can get. Tight lines. Hey guys, target achieved, got some rebound. Nice little fish. Yeah, well happy with that first rebound in quite a while. But only 2-3 pounds, but yeah, cracking fight to be fair. Sat behind me and then yeah, started taking me upside, so there we go, nice little fish. Hey guys, just thought I'd show you the rigs now that I'm home, because I tried to show it on the beach, but with the wind and everything the audio wasn't very good and it was quite shaky, so I thought I'd give it a go here what I used at Talacre and caught the Hound on. But yeah, just 1.0, hooks need changing now, but yeah, 2 1.0s, only one side obviously, so this one can slide up and down. You don't need the tube in there, you can just wrap it like so, like that. That'll lock it into place, and then you can hook the bottom of the bait. But yeah, this is just the trace part, and then down. Here's like £20 amnesia usually, so yeah, just down. You can decide the length you want yourself. obviously on tides and stuff down to a clip. Yeah, so that depends on where you're fishing, the tides and everything, but if the stronger tide, you probably want a shorter trace. And then this is the second part, so just a clip for the weight. Obviously the hook clips onto there, and then as the water hits it, unclips the hook. Weight clip to here. And then, again, length of trace depends on what your hook length is. And then you have a swivel just sliding up and down, which is what your main line clips to. So your main line clips to that. 2 beads, and then down to a swivel. Just a normal swivel, which this clips to. So focus. There we go. And then yeah, just clip your trace. This, like I say, your main line clips onto here, and then yeah, you just pull it, and then your hook. So a bit all over the place at the minute. Then you just hook in, like so. It says like so as if it's easy, but it's usually easy when you've got the weight on. But yeah, you just clip it down, and all the way down here, so you can see. You want the hook length shorter than the rig body. So you have your main rig body, which is the top one, hook length's the bottom one. I've got out of focus, but yeah, hook length shorter, so it adds pressure onto the main line. If the hook length's longer, then obviously it's not going to be tight. But yeah, and then obviously that just hits the water. Water chip pushes it, and then yeah, just unclips. That's it. Yeah, not the best in focus. Trying to get it to as best as I can, but obviously trying to focus on line and stuff. But yeah, nice and simple. So I use the £20 Amnesia as the hook link. Make sure you have one sliding one. The one that's sliding as well is the one that your main line goes to. So, and then yeah, obviously that one's attached to the line. And then, yeah, big body you can go, I usually just go like £50. Something daft, something simple like that. So, but yeah, so nice and easy. But I'm trying to show it on the beach, even though it's not focusing great on the line here, but it's focusing on the hooks and stuff, which do need changing because they're a bit of a mess now after the last session. But yeah, nice easy rig, easy to tie. You don't need any crimps or anything like you do with flappers. I use the same knot as well. Can't remember the name of the knot, but if you want me to show you how I tie the knot, then yeah, it's really quite neat. If you want me to show you how I tie the knot, then just put it down in the comments, and I'll add it. But yeah, like I say, nice easy rig, easy to cast, streamlined as it clips down. So the water pushes against that, then unclips. As you can see there, it'll just do that. The hooks will come off. Bait sits nicely away from the weight, but yeah, nice easy rig. Sorry I couldn't show you on the beach, but the quality's not the best, but yeah, it is what it is. Hope you enjoy. Tight lines. Thanks guys.